There are a couple of new features Samsung is going to add in the Galaxy S23 Ultra, but some features that we expected were excluded from S23 Ultra as per recent listing. But there is a good news regarding the heating solution of Galaxy S23 Ultra and how much price increase we can see on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. But before moving on, make sure to subscribe to the channel. As per recent listing from China, a famous feature, the satellite connectivity that we have seen on the iPhone 14 Pro Max for the first time, is not available on S23 Ultra, although Apple only provides this service in 2 countries, only US and Canada. As per rumors, Galaxy S23 Ultra will have this feature built in, but it is not available in China. The interesting part is that Samsung is adding new feature with satellite connectivity, where you can even send a low resolution image through this feature, which is amazing. But it seems like only selected countries will have this feature, and if you take calculated guess, South Korea and US are the top countries for this feature. Let me know in the comments which one would you buy, Galaxy S23 or S23 Ultra. One big feature that we are going to get on the Galaxy S23 Ultra is its new heating solution. As per recent reports, Galaxy S23 Ultra will going to come with improved cooling system, which was first introduced with the S22 Ultra, which means Samsung is going to use the same heating solution but with a better optimization. And this is very useful since Samsung is going to use an overclocked Snapdragon 2, which is clocked at 3.36 GHz instead of 3.19. Although Qualcomm worked on this processor and make it more power efficient, as it will come with 40% CPU power efficiency and 45% GPU power efficiency. So if Samsung manages heating issues, we can see some great battery numbers on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Some people might be disappointed, but Galaxy S23 Ultra will going to come with only 2 RAM options, 8 gigs and 12 gigs, no 16 gigs available. But a good news for the base storage of Galaxy S23 Ultra. Samsung is going to add 256 gigs version as a base model of Galaxy S23 Ultra. Now we are going to get 3 storage options, 256 gigs, 512 gigs and 1 TB version. But some of you guys might concern regarding the S23 Ultra price. And with the bigger storage, chances are there we're going to see the price jump at least $50, or in some regions you can expect $100 price jump in the Galaxy S23 Ultra price. Samsung have bigger plans for the launch of Galaxy S23 Ultra, as we might see some great PR deals. As we can expect, S23 Ultra will going to launch in the early Feb, and phones will hit the market around 17th of Feb. If you guys want to see the real first look of Galaxy S23 Ultra, then you guys should watch this video and make sure to subscribe to this channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.